It is true that when people think about online education, they primarily think about technology. It is true that there is some truth to that, that at a certain point we need some basic technology skills. But it's not only about technology. I want to spend the next few minutes to talk about some of the things that you should remember as an online course facilitator. We're going to talk about really what technology is about. Number two, we're going to talk about technology in design, and then number three, technology in the delivery, and last we're going to talk about technology in assessment. So let's look at technology first. Why do we need technology? I want to say that technology is only a tool. So it should not be the primary focus of online teaching or online course design. It shouldn't. Really, it's just a tool that we're using to deliver online classes. So it should not be used to just impress people. It should not be used just to frustrate our students. It should not be used to give an overload, cognitive overload to our students. If it is something that is going to cause so much struggle to our students, it will create cognitive overload, so it will waste a lot of time of our students. It should not be used also for piracy, just to get something for free that is out there. But this is how we should use the technology. We should use it for more efficiency in our work, more effectiveness, and to enhance learning enhancement. And last, to enhance our teaching. So by using technology, we should become better at teaching. By using technology, the students should be better at learning. So how do we use technology in the design? We need to make sure that the teacher has some basic computer literacy skills. Things like knowing how to format a Word document, PowerPoint, Excel. These are just basic things that are part of the 21st century skills that everybody must have. We need to foster the learner skills on those same basic computer literacy skills. We need internet connectivity that is stable both for the facilitator and also the students. If our students are in places where the internet connectivity is very low, it may not be the right option for online education. We need to use different types of media when we're designing our online classes and even delivering them. We need to think about compatibility issues. When we are using our technology, can it work in both Windows and Mac, for example? Is it compatible also with phones? Because a lot of students now, they will be accessing online courses on the phone. If it is video clips, are they things that students can easily download and actually watch? How about software availability and even affordability? Sometimes we say, well, I want students to use this specific software, and it might be a very specific technology software that is not common to many other people. We need to think about that. Is it affordable? Or is it even better, is it available to everyone? How about technology in the delivery? We need to think about different ways to use technology to communicate with our students. We need to use technology that is user-friendly for our students and even to ourselves, because we don't want to be struggling with technology that we want to use. We need to be proficient and actually prepare our students also to be proficient in the course management system. For example, Moodle, students and the faculty need to know how to navigate that, to create the forums, the faculty needs to know how to communicate using the course management system that is there, and also the assessment. They need to be able to grade the students effectively. And we need to think about the technical support. Do we have the staff that will be providing that to us as faculty and also to the students? Now on the assessment, that is the last point of this clip. We need to know how to create assessments using the technology that we use online. We need to know how to grade the students with that technology. We need to know how to provide feedback on the students using the technology that's available to us. In fact, part of this is something that we're going to use in just simple Microsoft Word document, and creating the rubrics there that will make the feedback as clear as possible. And we need to know and think about the possibility of using technology for or against plagiarism. What technology is out there that students may use for plagiarism, and what technology can we use to counter that, to go against plagiarism? Same thing with cheating. What technology can students use to cheat? Or what are some of the things that we are doing online in our design that make it so easy for students to cheat? And what can we do using technology to prevent that cheating? In conclusion, technology plays an important role in an online education. There's no question about that, but it's not about becoming expert technology guru, but it's about just knowing the basics for us to be able to do our job well. It should never become a burden to the faculty or the students. If it becomes cumbersome, burdensome, and just challenging to the students and the faculty, and everybody's frustrated, we need to consider another option for that. And last, it should make online work more efficient and more effective. So that is the bottom line of technology in online education. It should not be the primary focus of our work. It is simply a tool that helps us. God bless you as you use technology in a Christian way, where it will actually not be against the biblical